All right, welcome back. We're going to go ahead and start our operations for the cam operation for the manufacturing of our top of our wallet. If you missed the previous video, we did our setup and manage imported our tools. Now we're ready to start machining. If you didn't see the previous video, you don't have your setup completed, you need to complete it and correctly insert your WCS in the correct orientation. So step number one, this is the second video, therefore. Step number one, we're going to do facing. We're going to select tool. It's going to be tool number, come down to your wallet tools. It's going to be tool number 2. In the previous videos, you probably noticed that it wasn't a 1/8 inch drill. I added that. I'll explain why later. Go ahead and select OK here. Come on over here. Step over. First off, we're not going to use both ways. We're going to do climbing. And step over 3/4 inches. Way too much for how much material we're going to take off. We're going to go 0.2 and select OK. And that's going to be a series. It's going to be a series of cuts. This tool is going to be taking about 1/4 inch off on the face and then going over all the way over 1/4 inch. And it's going to be too much material for this tool to fully take off or pass. I don't want to break any tools in this shop, so if we go to simulate, substantial amount of material taking off. So we're going to do this in several passes because it's just so much material here. And the feed rate's pretty high, so I'm just going to step it over and clean everything up in a series of shorter passes, just so we don't break anything in the manufacturing lab. Again, the one step you're going to need to go in and edit is the length back here. So edit this. We need to go over to passes and pass extension. We needed to go more to the left, so I think we did 0.45 or something like that last time. So if you hit OK, you're going to see that the tool is going to be going well past, coming down and not entering directly onto this edge of the part and going all the way past it and popping off of it. So facing operation is now complete. Go ahead and save your work by hitting Control S on your keyboard, hit OK, and begin with the next operation we're going to do is a clearing, adaptive clearing. And we are going to adaptive clear all the way around the part. We're going to use tool number. We're going to go back and use that 20mm end mill, just because this is going to be a fast cutting tool. It's going to cut very quickly around the entire part. And we'll kind of get everything going right around the part. Only thing we're going to change here is the height offset. The bottom, we're going to lower the bottom. So we're going to go off of we're going to go all the way down the model bottom. So select model bottom. We're going to minus 0.05. Take off another 50 thousandths, just so we definitely take off enough material. We're going to hit OK here and see how this looks. So it's just going to clean everything up all the way around, but it's not cleaning everything up in here. So we're going to need to do another operation with a smaller tool in here and use step overs. So we're going to come back over here, 2D adaptive clearing, and we're going to go ahead and select around here, but we're not going to use the number 2 tool. We're going to go ahead and use a 1/2 inch flat end mill. We could use a 1/4 inch flat end mill. Either will work. Since we have the 1/2 inch end mill here, we're going to go ahead and use that. It'll just speed things, the process up. We're going to select all the way around, and go ahead and select OK and see how this looks. So this tool also is going to go all the way around, but this time it's going to clear everything up in here. And we're going to go ahead and edit this operation, and we're going to lower the height, model bottom. We're going to minus 0.0, 50 thousandths down, just so we clear everything up on the bottom. Select OK again. This time it's going to go ahead and clean everything up here onto the whole bottom of the part. I'm going to edit this one more time. I want to make sure that we have stock to leave. So under passes, make sure it's 0.01 for both of these. Select OK. Since we're cleaning more up on this operation than this one, we're just going to delete this operation. We're just going to do all this with a 1/2 inch end mill. And this should clean everything up. Now we're going to come over here to contour. And we're going to contour everything. We could do a tool change, or we could do this again with a 1/2 inch end mill. And this is just going to come around and clean everything up all the way around the whole thing. So The only thing we should need to change here is under heights. So geometry, we selected the bottom chain. Heights, we are going to do model bottom. Minus 0.05. Passes. Everything here looks good. Linking, everything here looks good. We're going to select OK. And this is going to kind of come in, clean everything up, and come right out here. So we're going to go down right over here, come in, clean everything up, and come right out right there. So that looks excellent. So we have our facing, our depth of clearing, and our contouring. Next thing we're going to do is a chamfer operation. So 2D chamfer. And we're going to go ahead and chamfer everything around. And just go ahead and select. We don't want to select that feature. And